Today, I'd like you to think of the best way how you go forth essentially. In this material world, there are so many things which you don't need. If you are materially poisoned, if I say, there are so many things you feel, imagine, you need. There are so many things which you need. What I'm talking about is very different. There are so many things here, materially, which you don't need. It is not easy to recognize so many things which you don't need. Unfortunately, human beings are surrounded by so many things they don't need. Talking of information, you're touching, you're receiving a number of unnecessary pieces of information you don't need. Mostly, people are affected by those. That's the reason they cannot realize anything. They go to a wrong direction. Is there any way for you not to touch anything you don't need? There are some ideas. One of ideas for you not to touch those you don't need. I'd like you to renounce greed. I'd like you to renounce greed for knowledge. I'd like to renounce greed for possession. If you're successful in renouncing those things you don't need, you can free yourself from mental bondage. Naturally, human beings have mental bondage. Why? Human beings are dominated by such unnecessary mental bondage because they have greed to possess so many things. You are one of infinitesimal beings. If you free yourself from mental bondage, you are so successful in freeing yourself. You don't have greed at all. You live naturally. More concretely I can tell. You live primitively. It is surely gorgeous for you to live out of such primitiveness. You are surrounded by unnecessary noises. The state of no sound is the one you need. If you have some sort of finesse to enjoy the state of no sound, you should be shining. You should be shining first inside. You shall be more beautiful. To be more beautiful as a being, shining first inside. Everything regarding this matter hinges upon you. Even when you do not possess anything, supernaturally, you can possess so many things. No possession shall be interpreted as real possession. The lecture shall be finished now.